Yo, what's happening, guys? Coming at you from Down4SoundShop.com, and yes, you're probably noticing I don't have a Down4Sound shirt on for probably the first time you've ever watched a video, but I'm into aviation. I went to an airport and they had this cool t-shirt, fountain blue, pretty cool. So we changed it up a little bit, but anyway, back to the importance of this video. This video, we're going to be telling you about our new Rilla Shield deadener. So you know we have, or you should know that we have a ton of different types of deadener on or under the Down4Sound name brand. We have the 3-in-1, we'll link that. You can check out all the different ones to see what fits your needs. But the one that we did not have, primarily because we were selling Sundown Audio's version of it. So it's called Vibraflex, is the style of deadener, and it's known to be very, very stiff and hard. That sounds really weird, but anyway, get your mind out of the gutter. I know what you're thinking, but to apply deadener like this, you have to put a heat gun, a very hot heat gun, or a torch to it to get it to where you can mold it to your panels. But after you do, it gets, like, after it cools off and it's adhered to your panel, hopefully you prep the panel properly, it's going to stick on there and make your panel super rigid and like rock hard. So this is going to be the 190 mil. So you can see it's not flexible like the other deadeners. It has a little bit of flex to it, especially when it's warmer. I mean, it's over 100 degrees outside right now, so there's a little flex to it, but you can see that it's not folding over in half. Like there's a slight bend to it. This is the 190 mil. Again, we have it in two different sizes, thicknesses, but anyway, so you can tell that it's very stiff, very thick. If you're trying to fit it in a little bit, you can see this one adheres a little bit more. This is a 160 mil, so if you don't want it quite as stiff, you can do the 160 mil. It'll probably be hard to tell the difference, but there is a size difference here, like between the two. This one's a little bit thinner than this one. So if you're trying to contour it to like maybe the inside of a door or over a lot of things, and you need it to be a little bit more pliable to go on, then you'd want to use the thinner one. But if you're just doing panels, such as like roof panels or a trunk or whatever, it's flat and there's not a lot of ridges and it doesn't have to conform much, you could just use the 190 mil right here. So that's the two different types that we came out with. And again, the reason why we came out with this was because Sundown decided to discontinue their Vibraflex style of deadener. Not really sure why, because people love this stuff and we sell a lot of it. So when they told us that they weren't going to be making it anymore, I'm like, there's an opportunity here to have some made and feel that need for the people that like this style of deadener. So again, we have 160 mil, 190 mil, and we have a bunch of different packages or combos or different square foot options. So if you want to do like 2 doors, we have enough for that. Or if you want to do a whole trunk area, we have a package for that, or a bulk pack, a bunch of different packages that gives you price breaks on each one. Just like anything in life, the more you buy, the better price you get. So that's going to be it for this video. And yeah, check out the Rilla Shield deadener on Down4SoundShop.com. You can go to the link in the description of this video and it'll be there for you to check out and give it a try. If you like the Vibraflex style of deadener, you're going to love this, no doubt. And yeah, hit us up if you need anything. Down4SoundShop.com. Give us a call, 702-701-9800. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Life or Price, and also Down4Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JP D4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.